In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get pocket option promo codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna open your web browser. In my case, it's Google. Then you're gonna go in the search bar and search up the following: pocket option promo code. So once that is done, you're gonna click on search. Alright, so once that is done, you're gonna click on the first website, wethrift.com, and it says 55% off at pocket option, 12 promo codes for August 2023. And as you guys can see, it is August, so I'm gonna click on it. So now this is guaranteed that these codes are not expired since they are for August. So now the first one says 45% deposit bonus. So let's say you want to get a bonus of 45% when you deposit something, and then you can just click on show this code, and the code's going to be automatically copied. And then as you guys can see, the success rate is pretty high. It is 94%, and it was used by almost 12,000 people. So this means it's more likely that it's going to work for you as well. And the fact that it's also a verified coupon makes it more outstanding than the others. So now you can always scroll down and see if the other works as well, because here there's a 94% success rate. You can continue and scroll down. So as you guys can see, this one has a 95% success rate, so you can copy this and try this as well. And then you can go and have a look at all of them and try to get as much profit as you can by using these promo codes. Well, if these promo codes do not work, you can always go to some other website. So I'm just gonna close this, and then you can scroll down and always go to some other websites. So let's say this one. So I'm gonna go to this website, scroll down, and there you go, 50% coupon codes and all. You can click show code, and it's gonna show you the code. So I'm just gonna wait for it. And the code is successfully copied. So that's how promo codes work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.